Hello, it's Chris here. It's time to do another video update on the layout. So I've been working on the rebuilding over here from the Mexican Spur, which goes from there to here. I pulled up the track, laid track, a much easier, more simplified plan, and I've even been upgrading parts of the layout as well above where they were. For example, here at Paxton Marine, I have now put down a concrete pad where the plastic pellets are unloaded. I repainted the silos, and I think they look a lot better this way. I even made, and yes, I made these, you can buy them, chain link fence. The chain link is basically tool. You can buy it at Walmart. It's a material people use to make wedding dresses and stuff. That and wire, the 18 gauge wire that I bought was made for people who do fake flowers and stuff like that. Floral arrangements or fake flowers. Well, I also made gates that can actually open up and work. It's easy. I just attached a longer pole, and I drilled a hole into the layout just enough to where it'll fit and it's tight and it won't sag. So yeah, I'm very proud of that. So anyway, so that should add a little fun to the switching once started. I'm gonna get a little guy walking through there. I could get some guys with hard hats and stuff who work. You can see right there. Anyway, maybe I'll get some warning signs put on here as well. I was gonna do barbed wire on the top, but I'm like, nah, I don't feel that ambitious. So I gotta redo the logo, because I did have the building larger there. I didn't like it. It looked like crap, so I took it down. So I'm gonna redo the logo and put it over here, maybe somewhere. I'm not sure. But yeah, so we're getting there. Don't mind the wires, and don't mind the guy. I was gonna put the guy there. Here, let me show you. See if he'll stand up. No, he's not gonna stand up, but yeah. I don't want to put him there, because I don't want him there. So anyway, so don't mind the wires. I'm gonna cover that up eventually. You won't see that. And I'm slowly working my way this way down. And yeah, don't mind the super glue. I ran out of ballast, so this is as far as I've gotten. I got more grass, but I'm not going to go any further until I got more ballast. Now, this is where Vicky Jean Avenue is. I decided that since Vicky Jean Avenue was just smack in the middle of the round runaround tracks for working this part of the layout, I'm going to do it to where the road's pretty much closed down. I'm going to repaint the road, and I got to finish painting the building that goes there. But I'm going to extend the layout another 3 inches so that right here I can put Hopi propane and gas. So that'll be the spur for that, and I can have the office and whatnot for that. So that's what I've gotten done over here so far. So let me show you a few other things over by the river. So over here at Emerald River in Galena Street, I started putting up some of the undergrowth and whatnot. And I got a whole bunch of super trees. I got a lot more than that I gotta make. And I'm gonna fill up and really make this corner good. I got the epoxy, but I'm not gonna be ready until I'm ready, you know. So I do have gap caulk to fill up holes. There's a lot of holes in there. I also got from Chrysler a boat with a guy fishing. I gotta paint the motor. It'll be Evinrude, of course, and I'll put him here fishing. I'll get some sticks on there. Really good. I still gotta order those signs from scale signs, the warning about the height of the bridge, and I gotta get other road signs going, and really put a whole bunch of this stuff. Let me show you. I love this stuff. This just briar and undergrowth stuff really adds depth to the layout scenery. I think it's Woodland Singets, if I remember correctly, who makes that. But yeah, so once I do that and I get that done, on the swing gate, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to have yellow scenery, and I'm going to have a little enclave right here where the river kind of meets and meanders there, and I'm going to put another fishing scene right there as well. I might even put my moonshining scene right here. But yeah, so anyway, that's about it. I mean, I've gotten also kind of started doing the track to go to the second level, but I need to go back and put stuff up under it instead of it just being sitting on the risers and whatnot. But that'll be in the near future. I'm not ready for that. Before I can start going to that, I need to replace my water heater, and that's going to be something that's going to be in the way once I get it. And I need to build. Here, let me pause and we'll go over there. I got to do my over easy yard scene over here. You can see the track plan. This right here is this back wall right here. Now I had Amana appliance here, but I'm going to change that. I'm going to put Amana appliance that'll receive coil cars on the second level. I am going to do my Roland Varsity salvage and recycling on the back wall along here instead. I just don't trust sending those long gondolas up the curve or the rise. I can see problems. So yeah, so we'll get this eventually done. This is going to be maybe in a couple months, and then I'm not looking to do the second level for at least a half a year minimum, or at least start to. So I also got a whole bunch of stuff to do for the street running, but I'm not focused on that right now. So now I gotta go. I gotta finish this beautiful painting, and then I gotta go and start working on the big bright line painting. It has to be done by the end of the month. So in between that and whatnot, other paintings, I'll start working on the river, getting all the scenery up in there, prepping for the epoxy and whatnot. So anyway, all right. Happy model railroading, everybody. Peace out.